Hi, I'm Corey and this is 131 Woodworking. Today we are going to finish up our fold-out trash can bin. And we've got to create a platform for the trash can to sit on, attach it to the door, attach the door, work on getting the hinges and the swing out to work right. And then we're going to build a drawer, mount it, and wrap it up. So stay tuned. After you get your door constructed and trimmed down the size to fit in the gap, I have not trimmed it to length yet. We're going to construct the actual mechanism that holds the trash can. So pretty simple. I just measured my trash can. This is built to the size of my trash can, so I'm not going to throw out dimensions, but the way this works is your trash can is going to sit inside this box. It's going to rest against the front, and then we're going to build some gussets to kind of hold it square. So a couple of things to take into account here. One, we've got a picket thickness gap at the bottom with our trim, so we got to account for that, and then our hinges. So what I've done is I've measured the hinges. I took my speed square and I just simply set it to that thickness and then added 1/16 of an inch. So we'll mount this to center it. Took another speed square and set it to 1.25 inches. That gives me an even gap on both sides. So let's get this set up and then we will build the gussets to help square this up and support the trash can. Mount the hinges, throw the drawer in, build the face frame, and get it inside. So this one should be a short one, so stay tuned and see how we do it. So this part is pretty straightforward. Again, I've set my gap, or my back gap for my panel here that holds my trash can to the thickness of the hinge when fully closed, plus one fence picket thick. So I just put my hinge on it on the actual cabinet, set my gauge up, or set my speed square up down to it, added 1/16 of an inch. We're going to use a square to keep the panel square, and then reinforce it. So pretty straightforward. Set your gap at the back, set your sides, and screw it down with some 1-inch pocket hole screws. Nothing fancy here. I just cut some 45-degree pieces that act as gussets to kind of help this piece stay a little bit more stable. So we'll just stick them in. I drill some pocket holes on the back side. We'll square them up and shouldn't have any more movement to it. So let's get to it. Square. Alrighty, a huge improvement, no wobble to it. So let's get the other one done and get it done. And there you got it. It's square to the bottom, so it should hinge in and out just without any problems. So it's hardware time. I've got the Craig jig for mounting the hardware. You just set your desired hardware up, line your holes up, set your desired height on the back. On the center of your door, there's a mark right in the center. We'll line that up right there, and just drill your holes. drilled up. Screws fit through. After drilling your holes, you just get your hardware, stick your screw through the back side. One hole. Start one, the other one. Send it home. There you go. Hardware mounting made easy. By far not perfect, but functional. If you remember where we started a couple days ago, it's over there. But turned out okay. I'm pretty happy with it. The only items that we had to purchase were hardware and hinges, drawer sides. I think altogether, the hardware is the most expensive at $7. So altogether, probably $12. We've got a fold out or a flip out trash can bin holder. So fully functional drawer, fully functional fold out trash can. So let's get it inside and I'll show you the final picture. So thanks for watching another scrap wood project from 131.